welcome to another episode of Zero Waste Man and Child. Today something that's really important to me, it's about bottles, and we all know there are too many plastic bottles on this planet. There's no doubt about that. And what can you do to use less bottles? And there's a really easy solution. Now, I'm sure most of you do the washing. Most of you wash clothes. And even though you might be doing this with something like this that is claiming to be eco-friendly and it's good, it doesn't test on animals or with animal products in there, which is fantastic in the first place, but it still comes in a plastic jug. And it turns out these plastic jugs, after you use them for maybe a month or month and a half, they end up on landfill or be burned in an incinerator. Most of them end up on landfill, and the numbers are staggering, up to 700 million of these. Now, this is just a number I found actually on Tru Earth's website. The beauty about this is you can replace it with this. Look at that. It comes in an envelope size, straight to your home every month. Subscription based. It washes your clothes just as effective, if not even more, than this little fella. Now these clog up our landfill. This is made of paper and will rot. You put it in your compost and it disappears within a couple of months. Here are little Strippy Stripes. They just go into your front loader. Now this is a dryer, I'm just using it to limit, this is my shelf thing. They can go into the front loader or a top loader. You just put them like you normally do into your compartment and Bob's your uncle, you're done. And the best thing, it's like good for babies. Good for babies. Babies like it too. Right? Norah likes it. Norah approved? Thumbs up. Good. Is basically meaning yes, go and buy them. I'll put a link below. They're fantastic. Like I said, you can get them subscription based. They cost the same as your jug, 19 bucks per month, I guess, which is equal to 32 loads. It depends on how much you wash. With this little one, because we wash our cloth diapers and other things like that, we wash a bit more, so yeah, they last a month for us. We use the fragrant one, blue ones. They smell lovely, and believe it or not, it's just the same as the liquid stuff, just dehydrated, because most of that in the liquid is water anyway. Turns out. So yeah, I think this is a fantastic product, and we need more of those to fight the battle against plastic bottles. Now that's it from us. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and press the bell if you want notifications and you get more of this stuff in your inbox. Apart from that, thanks for watching, and Norah and Daddy say bye. Bye. Bye, Norah. Say bye.